Honey, conserve your electricity. I turned off another one.
What?
I turned off another one over there. The stand. Let's go.
This is a really comfortable couch.
Alright, whatever you say. God.
Turn it off first. IKEA's gonna hate us.
Yeah. I'm gonna get banned from IKEA.
For what?
All the furniture in this room is under $6.99.
Oh, that's nice. What is it? $6.98?
$697.98.
Nuh-uh.
When I turn off my lights, target spotted. How do you do this?
Oh, it's got one of those things.
Get that one. Yes. Mom broke it. Broke the bed. You broke it. Alright, I'm not reaching for those.
Bam. Toss.
Get this one, you get that one. Oh, to you. I don't know. Oh, go. They kicked the chair.
That's cool. That's actually pretty cool.
It's child-proof.
It is. I can't.
I got that one. I was looking all down there for it. It's up here. Very good.
If I could, I would turn that off. How do you turn those off?
I want to find out.
I like this.
There's a light.
Attention IKEA coworkers. The afternoon huddle will begin in 5 minutes on the med. The afternoon huddle will begin in 5 minutes on the med.
Yeah, it's over there. Ow!
What happened?
She hit me with the pillow.
Why'd you hit her with the pillow? Pillow fight.
Compulsive panic. Put it down. 2 in 1. Can't bring you guys anywhere.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Oh. They don't have more cabinets.
What do you call this?
I said these are cabinets. So.
Attention IKEA visitors. Aaron Mitmon, please go to the front of the cash lane located on the first floor. Aaron Mitmon, please go to the front of the cash lane located on the first floor.
Yeah, Aaron.
How dare you? How dare you turn off all the lights?
Dang. If there's something to turn off.
It's already off. Already off.
Yeah, but how do you turn it on? Oh, I got it. Izzy. I figured it out. I figured it out. Izzy, look it. I know. Can we turn off? Can we turn off the candles? We can. Got it. I turned off.
Blew out the birthday candles.
Yep. A huff and a puff.
And you blew it all down.